Yeah, hi, ma'am. Actually, I wanted to understand strategies to deal with him at home because right now he's not going to school. So I got lot of ideas which I can also use when I am teaching him at home.
How old?
I was only teaching because schools were not able to. That is the fact. They mention inclusive, but I have been to 10 and 15 schools and all have rejected, saying that he is hyper ADHD, and we don't give special attention. So sadly, this last 2 years we have been at home only. So,
Okay.
but June onwards, maybe I will try if some school takes him. But till then, I am learning the strategies and teaching him because high
Okay.
time, I should learn and I should
Yes.
myself start
Yes.
teaching him at
Yes.
home. When I know
Definitely.
he can do with one-on-one attention, I can use it at home. And thank you so much, for giving some insight how to manage him and what not to do with him. Sometimes unknowingly, we put negative reinforcement too much on the child, which also
Yeah.
has an
No.
impact. But in that situation, we have to handle them as well. So
True.
that is part of our journey. But to handle that and to take care of the child, yes, a lot of takeaway after seeing the video, and all the points shared was really helpful. So I will definitely
Thank you.
keep these things in mind.